President, good morning to Honorable Legend Sir, respected teachers and all the students present here. Today, I, Shambhavi Mishra, am here to share my insights about the vibrant and integral part of our nation's identity, the tribes of India. India is a land of incredible diversity with a grand mosaic of cultures, languages and traditions. The tribal communities, or Adivasis, our original inhabitants, are the threads that hold this mosaic together, preserving ancient ways of life that connect us directly to our land and history. The numbers themselves are staggering and speak volumes about their importance. According to the 2011 census, India is home to over 104 million scheduled tribe individuals, which account for approximately 8.6% of the country's total population. The Constitution of India officially recognizes over 700 distinct tribes spread across 30 states and union territories. This makes India home to one of the largest and most diverse indigenous populations in the world. Each of these tribes is a word of itself. The Bhil tribe is the largest, making up nearly 38% of the total tribal population and primarily residing in states like Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. They are known for their unique Bhil art, which uses a signature style of dots and dashes. The Gond and Santhal tribes are also major communities, each with millions of numbers contributing significantly to India's cultural landscape. Their lives are models of sustainability, teaching us how to live in harmony with the environment. More than 83% of the tribal population resides in rural areas, maintaining a deep symbiotic relationship with nature and the forest. It is time we realize that their traditions are a source of wisdom that our modern society can greatly benefit from. The Government of India has even declared November 15th as today, Janjati Gaurav Divas to honor the memory of brave tribal freedom fighters like Birsa Munda and celebrate this rich heritage. The true essence of their culture lies in their original traditions, connection to the earth. To capture a glimpse of their spirit, I would like to share a short poem that reflects from their perspective. The poem goes like, the forest flow and ancient home, where roots run deep and spirits roam. We listen to the earth's soft rhyme, keepers of an older time. Our songs may not in textbooks be, but in the wind and in the greenwood tree. We live as one, a united band, with nature's wisdom in our hand. So listen close, the lessons clear. The value of the wild is here. For a greener future, kind and wise, look to the Adivasi's eyes. Let us learn from one another's culture and enjoy the beautiful diversity of India, experiencing the unity that binds us all. By appreciating and integrating the values of tribal communities, we can move towards a future that is more sustainable, inclusive, and truly Indian in every sense. Thank you and have a marvelous day ahead.